Hey guys, welcome to Unboxing My Future, and today I have another unboxing for you. 5 more ounces of silver. This package should be from JM Bullion. I just did another video a few days ago where I unboxed 5 ounces of silver from APMEX. Be sure to check that one out. But as far as this one, let's get right into it. I actually ordered this particular order on a Wednesday and it got here on Saturday, actually. No complaints on the shipping or anything like that. Really pleased with everything. Packaging is nice and snug and tight. Trying to just get all the angles cut here. What about you guys? Let me know in the comments. Have you guys still been ordering silver? Have you guys been slowing down on it? What's kind of your take on it right now in the silver market? Okay. Make sure we don't cut nothing. Okay, let's see what we got. Let's get the paperwork out of here. Okay, let's get this. A lot of packaging to it, as you can see. So today we got 5 ounces. Again, this package is from JM Bullion. And let's see what we got to start off with, okay? First time having one of these coins here. 2 ounce. 2017 999 fine silver. See if we can get it to focus there. Nice design. Really nice. Mexican Libertad, I believe is how you say it. I got 2 of these. Really nice. There we go. Get it to focus there a little bit. There we go. 2 ounces. I got 2 of these with a total of 4 ounces. Mexican Libertad. 2017 999 fine silver. Looks really nice. I love the detail. Nice and bulky coin. 2 ounces. Nice edges. Got 2 of those. And then I just added to the stack regarding these. This one I actually got a good deal on. I forgot what I paid for it, but I did get a good deal on it. It was going for the same price as a normal silver round pretty much. And I just said, why not? I already have 3 of these, so this makes 4. 4 nines fine silver, 2020, 1 ounce. Really nice coin. Love the detail in it. Nice edge. Australian kangaroo. So that's it, guys, for this order. As you can see, I've got 2 of these. First time getting these coins. Really impressed. The Mexican Libertad, 2 ounces, 999. Silver, this is the 2017 edition. Nice detail there in the back. Again, I got 2 of these. And now I have 4 2020 Australian Kangaroos. Got a good deal on this one, so I just said, why not? Got a total of 5 ounces. If you guys enjoyed this video, please click the like button. If you guys also have been ordering some silver, let's discuss it more in the comment section down below. I'm curious to know what you guys have been getting out there, what kind of deals you guys have been getting and things of that nature. Be sure to also check out my video when I unbox 5 ounces of silver from APMEX. That video was not too long ago, just a few days ago, so also check out that one. And also be sure to check out my future videos to come. Thank you guys for watching this video. It's been a unboxing from Unboxing My Future, and we're signing out. Thank you.